I'm releasing my limiting beliefs around wealth. The limiting beliefs that I have around wealth are not serving me. And so I am letting them go. It is okay that I want more success and abundance in my life. And I'm giving myself permission to be real with myself about what I want. And so I'm overcoming limiting beliefs around wealth. I'm overcoming the beliefs that are keeping me playing small. And I'm giving myself permission to step into massive abundance. I give myself permission to release and process limiting beliefs. Do this over and over again to release your limiting beliefs around creating wealth.